Keeping your finger on the pulse, mastering English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, keeping your finger on the pulse. This idiom is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Keeping your finger on the pulse is an idiom that means staying informed or being aware of the latest trends, developments, or opinions. It suggests that someone is very much in touch with the most important or latest happenings in a particular area. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from business to fashion, technology, and even personal interests. The phrase originates from the medical practice of checking a person's pulse to gauge their heart rate and overall health. Just as a doctor keeps their finger on a patient's wrist to monitor their heartbeat, staying in the know about relevant developments requires constant attention and awareness. This metaphor beautifully captures the idea of being alert and knowledgeable about what's happening around you. Now, let's look at how you can incorporate keeping your finger on the pulse into your everyday language. Here are a few examples. In business, as a marketing manager, I need to keep my finger on the pulse of the latest digital trends. In technology, tech enthusiasts always keep their finger on the pulse of new gadgets and software updates. In general conversation, she always knows the latest news and gossip. She really keeps her finger on the pulse. If you're looking to vary your language, there are similar phrases that carry the same meaning. For instance, staying ahead of the curve, or on the cutting edge, also imply being up to date with the latest trends or innovations. Each of these expressions can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Understanding and using phrases like keeping your finger on the pulse can significantly enhance your English communication skills. It shows not only your language proficiency but also your awareness of the world around you. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to stay curious and informed. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.